Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Here's a silent truth about wealth. Money does not grow under suffocation. It grows where there is margin. If every dollar is already assigned to survival, wealth has no room to expand. Today, I introduce a brand new framework, the financial margin principle. This explains why financial breathing space is the foundation of wealth. Medium White Star Section 1. What is financial margin? Financial margin is extra time, extra cash, extra flexibility, extra patience. Margin creates optionality. Optionality creates power. Medium White Star Section 2. WHY. Most people have zero margin. Most people. Crossmark live at maximum expenses. Crossmark. Commit future income early. Crossmark upgrade lifestyle. Too fast. Crossmark chase income instead of margin. Crossmark ignore buffers. Zero margin equals constant pressure. Medium White Star Section 3. The financial margin principle model. The financial margin principle has 4 margin layers. Layer 1. Cash margin, emergency fund, unused savings, liquidity. Cash margin buys time. Layer 2. Time margin, fewer obligations, flexible schedules, controlled commitments. Time margin improves decisions. Layer 3. Decision margin, ability to wait, no forced choices, calm evaluation. Margin eliminates desperation. Layer 4. Strategic margin, multiple options, flexible paths, adaptive plans. Margin creates leverage. Medium White Star Section 4. How to build financial margin. Keycap 1. Reduce fixed expenses. Keycap 2. Delay lifestyle upgrades. Keycap 3. Build cash buffers. First keycap 4. Stop committing future income. Keycap 5. Protect margin aggressively. Margin must be defended. Medium White Star Section 5. Signs you've created margin. White have a checkmark. Calm money decisions. White have a checkmark. Ability to wait. White have a checkmark. Reduce stress. White have a checkmark. Better opportunities. White have a checkmark. Sustainable growth. Bullseye conclusion. Wealth does not require perfection. Fire it requires space. Build the financial margin principle, and wealth will finally have room to grow.